Hello, Avishya fans and handloom sari lovers. Today, in our Handloom Sari Stories series, we are going to be looking at bridal Kanjivaram silk saris. The bridal Kanjivaram silk sari has been a ubiquitous presence in the Indian sari scene, and not only for brides from Tamil Nadu or from the south. In fact, the fame of the Kanjivaram silk sari has spread far and wide across the country, so much so that many parts of the country, even if Indians are not living in India, if they're living abroad, they still seek and find a suitable Kanjivaram silk sari for their wedding. Such is the fame and the glory of the Kanjivaram silk sari. Now, there are various types of Kanjivaram silk sari, and at Avishya we have different collections. We have the traditional Kanjivaram silk saris, which are bridal korvai saris with very pure zari woven beautifully intricate traditional motifs and designs. That's one kind of a collection. We have a collection called stunning singles, which consists of monotone Kanjivaram saris, because today it's becoming very fashionable for people to wear pastels, sorbets, single tones, which are very, very attractive. They theme their weddings, so they go in for one particular shade. So monotone Kanjivarams or stunning single Kanjivarams are a very, very popular collection at Avishya. The third type of Kanjivaram is the beautiful, grand and glistening tissue zari Kanjivarams. Tissue zari Kanjivarams are sought after by those who want the grandeur and the glory of Kanjivaram with the beautiful and delicate richness and the glow of tissue. These are the different types of Kanjivaram silk collections which are available at Avishya, and today we'll go through each and every type of collection of bridal Kanjivaram saris available at Avishya. Now, let's look at this gorgeous coffee brown and an electric cyan blue korvai bridal Kanjivaram sari. It's a lovely korvai, as you can see. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, gorgeous. It's really stunning. Stark, deep coffee brown background, lovely mild chakram motifs throughout the body, beautiful motifs, such skillful weaving. If you come closer, you can see the beautiful motifs, and the borders are actually, if you see, the top borders are smaller and the bottom border is border. Traditionally, it's called the morning evening border in Kanjivaram. It's beautiful, and of course, it's beautiful korvai, as you can see. As in any korvai, you just run your finger along the edges of the borders and the body. You can feel the ridge. And that's a lovely korvai 3-shuttle loom sari. It's special, it's traditional, and it's much sought after by people who want a traditional sari for their wedding. Now let's open this out and see how the pallu looks. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful, lovely cyan electric blue with lovely chevron motifs in the center. A large band of chevron motifs in the center, flanked by beautiful paisleys on both sides, lovely paisleys. And the zari is a lovely, rich, pure platinum gold color zari, beautiful pure zari. And at the bottom and the top both have lovely gold zari borders. And in the bottom border, you have beautiful row of bird motifs, lovely bird motifs. And the bottom has got lovely, very thick, almost beautiful, thick band of diagonal line zari. Let's see what the blouse of the zari looks like. Yes, the blouse is a plain blue contrast blouse, contrast to the body. And so the blouse in the center, the body on the right hand side of your screen. On the left hand side, you can see a part of the pallu. So as you can see, the stunning combination of the deep coffee brown and the electric cyan blue is beautifully combined and of course woven skillfully with lovely and gorgeous motifs and stylishly designed as a beautiful bridal korvai sari with a lovely morning evening border. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. You must take a look at this sari much closer. You'll enjoy the intricate details which may not come through in this short video. Please come out to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'd love to have you here and show you our entire collection of fabulous and grand bridal Kanjivaram saris. Now let's look at this gorgeous monotone, deep magenta bridal Kanjivaram sari. This sari has got this wonderfully saturated magenta color base, and you can see that the entire body beautifully woven with grand zari, very thick border, beautiful, fabulous pure zari border at the bottom and a smaller border on the top. It's a grand sari and it's in a single color. This is part of a stunning singles collection, and this is becoming very, very popular and very fashionable these days. People theme their weddings and then go with one particular color for every item, every accessory in the wedding. So this is very popular with young brides, the stunning singles collection, and this is a beautiful example of that. The motifs, if you see on the body, all floral motifs in parallel lines, beautifully woven with lovely chevron lines in between the floral motifs and thick golden bands as well. So there are chevron lines, braids like braids, Then there are thick golden bands, and there is, of course, all of this is separating these lovely floral motifs across the body from top to bottom. Let's see what the pallu of the saree looks like. I'll just flip it around for you. Wow, gorgeous. It's really, really nice. It's really grand in a very, very elegant and understated way. It's not overstated. It's beautiful. The zari is just right. It's glistening. It's not jarring or very, very gaudy. It's very nice. Beautiful chevron stripes. Half the pallu is the chevron stripes. And then if you see on the right hand side, if you see beautiful, beautiful rows of stripes, which has got polka dots, it's got chevron stripes, and it's got beautiful rectangular bands. So it's 3 different patterns repeating themselves from the top to bottom. It's really beautifully, the pattern repeats itself. This is one panel. There's one panel of large chevron stripes, and the same thing is repeated on the right hand side. So it's a really, really intricate, very delicate and very sophisticated pallu. And of course, right on the edges, you have beautiful veil motifs on the edge. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, beautiful, fantastic, lovely. The saturated deep pink magenta color, and of course it's got the golden zari which is there on top and bottom, which can be used for decorating the sleeves and the back. And so if you want to have a look at how the whole saree will look together, this is the pallu, this is the blouse, and of course the body of the saree. So it's very, very elegant, very rich and luxurious looking saree, and it's a fantastic example of a beautiful monotone kanjivaram or a stunning singles saree for a bride. It's a fantastic saree, and any bride can really carry this off beautifully and stylishly. And you must take a closer look at this saree. You can come over to our store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. You can come here and take a closer look at this saree and our entire collection of beautiful and gorgeous bridal Kanjivaram sarees. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous golden tissue zari bridal Kanjivaram saree. Wow, let's open this out for you. It's fantastic. Take a look, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. The entire body is woven on a beautiful bed of kind of dark grey, probably elephant grey or slightly lighter than that body on the base. On top of that, beautiful pure gold zari thread is woven, beautiful jali pattern, diamond or jali or whatever you call it, and in between there's a lovely, beautiful booties surrounded by lovely floral patterns, which itself overall looks like almost like a column pattern. Beautiful patterns all over the body, and because it's a base of dark grey, the elephant grey, the zari really shines and glows, and the intricacies of the weaving, the booties are coming out beautifully because of the contrast of the golden zari against the elephant grey background. As you can see in the borders are beautiful. Again, it's a 2-level border. One level, beautiful oblique diagonal stripes are there. The other side, beautiful diamond patterns are there. Smaller diamond pattern band closer to the body of the sari. And both are separated by lovely Rudrakshan motifs, which are woven, the top portion of the border and the bottom portion. And of course, edging all of this is again a line of beautifully woven Rudrakshan motifs. So it's very traditional, but it's very modern as well. And it's stunning because of the way the colors have been combined and woven so skillfully by the weaver. It comes out as a stunning example of a beautiful tissue zari Kanjivaram. Let's take a look at the pallu of the sari. Yes, gorgeous. Wow. This sari, the pallu is really like a sheet of gold. The bride is going to be a golden bride when she's wearing this. Fabulous pallu with lovely diamond motifs across the pallu, and just in the edge of the pallu, beautifully woven, lovely floral patterns on the side. If you can see, beautiful floral patterns with paisleys decorating the floral pattern in a panel across from top to bottom. And right in the very edge, you have a lovely little beautiful formation of floral booties. So it's really a lovely, delicately woven, beautiful pallu. And of course, the weave, the quality of the zari, the thread, the weaving gives this almost like a sheet of gold appearance. It's beautiful and stunning. Let's see what the blouse of the sari looks like. Gorgeous. Beautiful. If you can see the blouse, actually the weave, apart from the golden zari thread, they've actually taken a strand of the elephant grey. So the blouse has a contrast with the body of the sari. The body is pure gold. Yeah, it's a background of grey, but it's all gold here. But the blouse, they've actually taken a strand of the elephant grey and woven it along with the gold zari thread. It really stands out in a very subtle contrast to the body. And of course, very nicely it sets off the pallu. And this is how the sari will look when you wear it. It's going to be a gorgeous sari for the lucky golden bride who's going to wear this. And this is part of our fantastic golden tissue zari Kanjivaram saris at Avishya. You must come out to the store. This is a sari you must come over, touch, feel, and you should see yourself draping the sari in a wonderful mirrors that we have in the showroom. Please come over, take a look. Our showroom is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. Our staff will be happy to show you all these saris and help you drape them and admire yourself and select one. Thank you.